Stop scrolling kasi may tanong ako. Kung wala kang puhunan, ibig sabihin ba wala ka ng chance magnegosyo? Most Filipinos, ganyan yung belief. Wala akong capital, so hindi pa pwede. Pero here's the truth. Maraming negosyo na zero investment, pero hindi zero effort. At kung alam mo yung tamang model, pwede kang kumita within 7 days na hindi umuutang at hindi nag-i-imbak ng inventory. In fact, I'll show you 3 zero capital models na ginagamit ng mga ordinaryong Pinoy. Yung isa, kumikita using pre-order, customer pays first. Yung isa, kumikita gamit affiliate links, no inventory. And yung isa naman kumikita by selling skills gamit lang yung phone at internet. And wait, hindi ito get rich quick. Ito yung legit, practical, at beginner friendly. So if you are broke right now, busy, or student, this video is for you. Stay until the end kasi ibibigay ko rin yung simple 7-day start plan para makuha mo yung first client or first sale. If you want the checklist, comment 0 later. Tara, simulan natin. Also, if you want free templates and scripts made for Filipinos, join the free community at philmentors.com/free. Bago tayo mag-list ng ideas, kailangan klaro muna ito. Zero investment doesn't mean libre lahat. Ang puhunan mo dito ay time, effort, at consistency. Kasi kung ang hanap mo, zero capital, zero work, instant cash, scam territory na yan. So ito yung 3 rules para legitimate ang zero investment business. Rule number 1, service first. Skills ang capital mo. Kahit basic skills, halimbawa, design, editing, tutoring, chat support, pwede yan. Rule number 2, use what you already have. May phone ka ba, internet at free tools? Hindi mo kailangan ng fancy equipment para mag-start. Rule number 3, get paid before you spend. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Kung product-based ka, dapat pre-order and down payment. Hindi yung bibili ka muna ng inventory, tapos sana may bumili. So tandaan mo, zero investment is equals to low risk start. Pero, kailangan mo ng system. Ito yung pinaka-underrated na zero capital business model sa Pilipinas. Pre-order or pasabay. Simple mechanics. Customer pays first, saka ka bibili, then i-deliver. Meaning, hindi ikaw yung naglalabas ng puhunan, yung customer mo. At bakit gumagana to sa Philippines? Kasi maraming Pinoy yung gusto ng convenience, trusted seller, pabili naman vibes, at ayaw na maghahanap ng supplier. So ano yung pwede mong i-pre-order? Mag-start ka sa mga essentials, tsaka mga trending na low-ticket items. Halimbawa, school or office supplies, home organization finds, skincare basics, legit sources lang, tapos yung phone accessories, gifts. Pero ito yung rule para hindi ka ma-stress. Always, kumuha ka ng down payment. Kasi, sa Pilipinas, may joy reserver. Yung o-order tapos biglang nawawala. So, simple script mo dapat. Sure, reserve with down payment, then I'll order for you. That's how you keep it zero risk. Yung second model na mas simple pa, affiliate marketing, po-promote ka ng link, you'll get a commission and no inventory at all. Now, ito yung model na literal na zero inventory, zero shipping, zero packaging, and that is affiliate marketing. Simple lang, magre-recommend ka ng product, lalagay mo yung affiliate link, then mag-earn ka ng commission kapag may bumili through your link. Ang mistake ng karamihan, kailangan influencer ka muna. Kailangan maraming followers. No, ang kailangan mo lang is traffic. At may 3 easy traffic sources for Filipinos. Number 1, TikTok or Reels. Quick demo videos, best finds under 299 pesos. 3 bagay na sulit sa bahay, before and after content. Number 2, Facebook groups na ethical. Hindi yung spam value post muna. Like, ito yung organizer na nakasolve ang clutter ko. Then yung link. Number 3, YouTube search videos. Ito yung underrated. Best budget mic sa Pilipinas or Manila. Top desk essentials for work from home workers. People are already searching. Ikaw magbibigay ng options. Yung pro tip, pick ka ng products na kaya mong i-demo in 3 seconds. Kasi sa short form, attention is life or death. Next, paano kumita gamit ang skills? Nandyan yung Canva, design, editing, at services na pwede mong i-offer today. If you're thinking wala akong product, wala rin akong followers, ito yung pinaka-straightforward na zero investment path. Sell a simple skill. And the easiest, Entry skill for many Filipinos, Canva design. Hindi mo kailangan maging graphic designer. You just need to make things look clean. What can you sell? Facebook, IG posts for small businesses, promo flyers, menu redesign, simple product posters, real estate listing posters. Sino yung clients? Small cafes, salons, online sellers, local services sa area mo. Ito yung beginner offer na madaling i-close. I'll make 10 social media posts for your business this week. Package mo yan. Fixed price. Very clear yung deliverable mo. And if wala ka pang portfolio, no problem. Make ka ng 3 samples using a fake brand name or volunteer 1 quick post for a friend. So may maipapakita ka kaagad. Remember, hindi ka babayaran dahil magaling ka lang. Binabayaran ka dahil tinatanggal mo yung problema nila. Next, social media manager. Same lane, pero recurring monthly income. Alright, quick call to action tayo. If you want to start a zero investment business, hindi mo kailangan ng ideas. Kailangan mo ng scripts, checklist, tracker para hindi ka mag-guess araw-araw. So gumawa kami ng free resources at gumagawa kami ng mga free resources para sa mga Filipinos tulad ng outreach scripts, starter checklist, simple tracker. Lahat naman yan magiging libre. Access mo lang sa ating online community which is also free. Visit mo lang philmentors.com/free. Walang payment dyan. No payment, no fluff. Practical tools lang. If this video helped you, hit mo yung like button para small support lang dito sa video. And comment mo na rin, 0 sa comment section para alam kung gusto mo yung mga checklist na kagaya niyan. And I'll reply with what to do next or if you have questions, comment down below. See you inside sa community. Visit mo lang philmentors.com/free. Now, kung gusto mo ng negosyo na monthly recurring income, listen. Maraming small businesses sa Pilipinas. Hindi problema ang product nila. Ang problem nila, inconsistent sila mag-post. Pag busy, nawawala. Pag walang sales, biglang post ulit. Walang sistema. So your business becomes social media manager. At hindi ito kailangan na fancy. Your deliverables can be simple. 3 to 5 posts per week, busy captions, reply scripts, para mabilis sila mag-respond sa inquiries, simple content calendar, and ito yung best part. You can offer a free trial to get your first client. Message 20 businesses per day. Hi, I can help you post consistently. I can do a free 3-day sample. Want me to send? Karamihan hindi magre-reply. Pero normal yon. But you only need isa lang na mag-yes. Then once nakita nila na may improvement, you pitch monthly. Let's do this consistently for 30 days. That's how you turn zero investment into steady income. Next, CapCut video editing. Mas mataas yung bayad at mas mataas yung demand niya ngayon. If you want a skill na mataas yung demand, lalo na sa mga negosyo, video editing. Kasi lahat gusto mag-TikTok, Reels, Shorts, pero karamihan tamad mag-edit. So kung marunong ka mag-CapCut, even basic cuts and captions, valuable ka na. Sino yung mga clients? Nandiyan yung coaches, real estate agents, online sellers, small business owners, creators na busy. Simple offer na madaling ibenta. 10 shorts per week package. You don't need to be cinematic. Ang kailangan lang, remove yung dead air, mag-add ka ng captions, add ka ng simple b-roll, and make it fast-paced. And ito yung best way to start kahit wala kang portfolio. Gumawa ka ng 5 sample edits using your own clips, free stock clips, or mock business video. Then, send mo sa mga prospects. Hi, I edited a sample short for your page. Want me to do 10 per week? Kasi kapag may proof ka, mas madaling mag-yes. Okay, kung hindi ka naman design or hindi ka sa editing, may other lanes pa. Remember, zero investment business. You solve a problem using time tsaka effort. Ito yung 3 zero capital offers na very doable sa Pilipinas. Number 1, online tutor or homework help. Kung marunong ka sa English, math, accounting, o kahit basic subjects, parents will pay for clarity and guidance. Start ka ng free 15-minute diagnostic, then paid sessions. Number 2, lead generation and appointment setter. Ito yung work na ginagawa ng maraming online freelancers. Mag-message ka ng prospects, set appointments, or gather leads. You can charge per lead or per booked call. Errand. Number 3, errand and or concierge service sa barangay or sa condo. Kung nasa condo ka or community maraming busy people, pwede ka mag-run ng grocery, pharmacy, or laundry pickup. Yung customer nagbabayad plus delivery fee. So yung rule dito, pick the lane na kaya mong gawin daily na hindi ka mabiburnout. Because consistency beats the perfect idea. Now, once may momentum ka na, meaning may skill ka na, may audience ka na, or may clients ka na, ito na yung next level. Scale options para hindi ka forever trading time for money. Number 1, digital products. Nandiyan na yung mga templates, trackers, scripts, checklist. One time mo lang siyang gagawin, pero pwede mo siyang ibenta ng paulit-ulit. Example, budget template, resume template, content calendar, outreach scripts. Number 2, print on demand. Magki-create ka ng designs, supplier prints, pre-order muna, then print. Still, low risk. Perfect yan para sa mga org merch, barkada shirts, or niche communities. Number 3, UGC creators. Yung mga brand kasi, magbayad sila sa'yo to create short product videos kahit maliit yung followers. They want content, hindi naman yung fame. Deliverable mo dyan, 15 to 30 second demo videos. So think of it like this. Start with services to learn and earn fast. Then build assets, tulad ng digital products, to scale. Ito yung part na most people avoid, kaya sila hindi kumikita. Outreach. Kahit gaano kaganda yung idea mo, kung wala kang kinakausap ng potential buyer, zero yung results. So, ito yung simplest system to get your first client or first sale. Number 1, pick one idea. Huwag 5 lanes. 1 lane for 7 days. Number 2, make 1 sample. 1 portfolio piece, 1 demo, 1 proof. Kahit hindi perfect, basta may output. Step 3, message 20 prospects per day for 7 days. Yes, 20. Because numbers win. Simple message, hi, I helped blank to get blank result. I made a quick sample. Want me to send? Most won't reply. And normal yon. Some will scene zone, normal din yon. But you only need 1 yes to start momentum. And once may 1 client ka na, everything becomes easier. Yung confidence, referrals, and testimonial. Alright. If you want to start a zero investment business and kailangan mo hindi lang ideas, kailangan mo ng script, checklist, tracker, and any resources to help Filipinos to start their own business or start investing and make extra income, join ka lang sa ating free community. Visit mo lang philmentors.com/free. Makaka-join ka yan for free. No payment, no credit card needed, practical tools lang. If this video helped you, don't forget na mag-like ka sa video para small support lang sa YouTube channel natin, and comment extra income down below so that makita namin na nag-enjoy kayo sa mga ganitong klase ng content, and we'll create more. And also comment some questions and we'll try to answer as soon as possible. See you sa loob ng community. Visit philmentors.com/free.